Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to replace the ink cartridges on a Canon Pixma Tr4500 series printer. This will be a complete tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, the specific model of the printer that I have is Tr4522, but the process is going to be very similar on all of the Tr4500 series printers. So if you have one that is slightly different of a model number, then it's probably still going to be the same process. So very simply, you want to make sure that the printer is on because the ink cartridges need to move into place for you to get to them. Okay, and then you want to make sure your primary door is open, which is the paper door, and then you're going to open your secondary door, which leads to the ink cartridges. So open this up right here, and as you can see right here, it's going to bring the ink cartridges into position for you to replace them. Okay, I do apologize, there's a little bit of a mark on the screen here. I'm going to wipe it off after this video before I film the next one, but sorry about that. I know it might be annoying when you're looking at the screen. So it's annoying for me even looking through the even looking through the viewfinder. So for you watching it on a bigger screen, you know, it might be annoying. So I do apologize. But essentially, you have the black and white ink cartridge on the right, the black and white ink cartridge on the right, and the color ink cartridge on the left. Okay, so what you want to do to replace them is just bring your finger in here. There's a little bit of a notch, and you want to push down and pull back at the same time, just like this. Okay, as you can see right there. And then you can remove the old ink cartridge, okay? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the new ink cartridge in place. So go and get your new ink cartridge. You're probably gonna have to remove a sticker on it that protects the gold contacts over there. And you're gonna put your new ink cartridge in place by doing the exact opposite. Now, this ink cartridge is perfectly fine, so I'm gonna put it back in, but obviously you're gonna be installing a brand new ink cartridge to replace an old one that has run out. So you wanna make sure your label is facing up, and you want to make sure your gold contacts are facing the back of the printer because there's gold contact points over there as well that they have to line up with. So label facing up, gold contacts facing the back of the printer. You want to slide it into the tray, okay? And then get a firm grip of the printer. I just like putting my hand up here, but you can use two hands if you want. And then I'm going to push it upwards and inward. So up and back at the same time. So up and in, just like this. Okay, you're going to get a nice, we'll try that one more time. Up and back at the same time. Okay, we're gonna try that one more time. I'm not sure why that's not working. Okay, one more time. There we go. So like I said, you gotta give it a decently firm grip. I guess focus more on pushing backwards or into the printer as opposed to up. It's a slight upward motion, but focus more on the back motion. And the same thing with the color. You push it down and it'll sort of slide out of place. You remove the old one. And then same situation, label facing up, gold contacts facing the back of the printer. Get your new one, slide it in place, and then focus more on the pushing backwards, I guess. Okay, one more time. There we go, just like that. So it's that simple. That's how to replace your old ink cartridges that have run out with new ink cartridges on your Canon Pixma Tr4500 series printer. Then when you're done, you can just close this secondary door and the ink cartridges will sort of get loaded into place. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.